So this is where a conqueror like me takes and uses a piece of land to my advantage and curtails it and organizes it for a school that's not going to be swinging a broadsword, but is going to challenge their own mind and perfect it into mindfulness. And we do that in here, in sending and receiving, remote view. And how about blindfold archery? We are further from the target than is required to be, and I expect you to hit a bullseye, because mind over matter and time already places it there, and that's your training. In practicing it, you begin to develop a neural net that can look at current events and understand it in pure common sense. And that, my beloved people, is on the path to prophecy.